In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ImageSearch ChatGPT plugin. This plugin is a fantastic tool for those who want to combine the power of ChatGPT with image recognition capabilities. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google. A quick way to do this is by typing google.com into the address bar and hitting Enter. Once you're on Google's homepage, the next step is to type ChatGPT into the search bar. When you do this, Google's search algorithm will work its magic and present you with a list of relevant search results. Next, look for the official ChatGPT website in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the ChatGPT page where you can explore various features, including plugins like the one we're focusing on today. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign, typically used to add something new. Click on the plus sign, as this is how we'll start integrating and using the ImageSearch plugin. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see an option to add photos and files. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on this option, you're enabling the ChatGPT plugin to start interacting with images of your choice. It's an incredibly useful feature for anyone looking to enhance their experience with AI by incorporating visuals. Now, it's time to select a photo. Choose the image that you want ChatGPT to analyze. This could be a picture of a bird, a historical landmark, or any image you need more information about. Simply click on the photo you want to use, and you're ready for the next step. After selecting your image, you'll need to type a prompt that tells ChatGPT what to do with it. For instance, if you've uploaded a picture of a bird, you might type a prompt like, "Use web search to identify what specific type of bird this is." The key is to be clear and concise so that ChatGPT can provide you with the best possible response. Finally, when you've typed your prompt, you just need to click on Submit. This action sends the image along with your prompt to ChatGPT, which will then analyze the picture in conjunction with your question and return a detailed answer. That's it. You've successfully used the ImageSearch ChatGPT plugin. This tool can significantly enhance your interaction with AI by bringing image processing into the mix. Whether for educational purposes, hobby research, or just satisfying your curiosity, the possibilities are wide open. Don't hesitate to explore further and use this powerful plugin for various projects. Thanks for watching, and happy experimenting!